both pairs of congruent angles. So we're asked for angles, so we look for those that are the same or equal. Well, because it's a trapezoid, these two angles will be the same. So our first pair will be E and F. What else? H and G will also be the same. So that's our next answer, H and G. We need to find congruent segments. So segments are HG. All right, so HG and what is congruent to that? EF. EF. And then another pair of congruent lines will be FG, FG, and EH. All right, so that's what the question is asking. Find the measure of angle Z. This is angle Z over here. What is congruent or next to it? We have angle Y. So these two will be the same. So if X is 82, that means W will also be 82. So to find Z, we will do 180 subtract 82. That gives us 98. The next question. KM is 7.5. KM is 7.5. NM is 2.6. We need to find LN. If we're finding LN, LN will be the same distance as KN. So if we can find KN, then we will obviously get LN. So we can do 7.5 subtract 2.6, and that gives us 4.9. Find the value of N such that PQRS is isosceles. Isosceles, that means this. Isosceles means that R and Q are equal. Right, and then we solve. We do minus 10 on both sides. This cancels. We have 19 is equal to 2n minus 4. We add 4 to both sides. So we have 2n is equal to 23. We divide both sides by 2. So n is equal to 11.5. The next question, find the value of x. So we will see that this 2 and this will add to 180. So our problem will added to x squared minus 98 is equal to 180. So for the trapezoids, opposite each other will be added to 180. So we add them together, we have 2x minus 108 is equal to 180. So we add 108 to both sides. And that gives us 2x squared is equal to 288. We divide both sides by 2. So x squared is equal to 144. We take the square root of both sides. So x is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. The other two examples, BD, this is this line here, is 7a minus 0.5. AC is 5a plus 2.0. We know that 2 are equal to each other, so we do 7. We subtract 5a, subtract 5a. So we have 2a minus 0.5 is equal to 2.3. We add 0.5, add 0.5. So this cancels. 2a is equal to 2.8. We divide by 2. So a is equal to 1.4. Right, number 8 says QS is 8z squared, RT is 6 squared, CZ squared plus 38. Find Z. So here again, we make them equal to each other. 8z squared equals 6z squared plus 38. Again, sorry for that. Then we will subtract 6z squared, subtract 6z squared. We are left with 2z squared is equal to 38. Then we're going to divide both sides by 2. So we have z squared is equal to 19. We take the square root of both of them. So z is equal to 4.36. And then lastly, sorry. So 4 on this end, 4 on this end. So MN is really the mid segment. All right, let me do that over. Is the mid segment. And then finally, the bottom is 2.73, 27.3, and the top is 11.6. So we need MN, so we do 1/2, 27.3 plus 11.6. So that will be equal to, when you do the math, that will be equal to 19.45. And there we have it. Hope this helps.